Alright, so now we're going to find slope from a table. Really, we're just doing what we did before, y minus y over x minus x. A table just gives us many values to choose from. So in this situation, it tells us to find the rate of change, which is slope, of the candle's height between hours 1 and 4. But as we talked about in the very first video, it really doesn't matter the interval we choose. So if we do what it asks for, from 1 to 4, we have the points 1, 22 and the point 4, 13. So we're going to do y minus y. So we're going to do 13 minus 22 over 4 minus 1. And so 13 minus 22 is negative, so we're going to be a negative 9. So negative 9 over 4 minus 1 is 3. And then I'm going to reduce. So negative divided by a positive is negative. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So we have a negative 3 is our rate of change. And so because we have an actual situation, this is a negative 3 centimeters per hour. And so it asks, what does this rate of change mean in this situation? And in this case, it means that we burn 3 centimeters every hour the candle is lit. That's what this represents. That our candle burns 3 centimeters for every hour that it is lit. And I would find that no matter what I'm doing here. And so it is my suggestion to just pick ones, like if I went here, this is a distance of 1 and we lost 3 centimeters. But even here we had a distance of 2 and we lost 6 centimeters. So negative 6 divided by 2 is still negative 3. So again, any 2 points that I choose on this table are going to get me to the fact that the rate of change is negative 3. So it doesn't matter which 2 points from the table you choose, just choose 2 points, do y minus y and x minus x, and then take y divided by x. And that's your rate of change. And that's how we find slope from a table.